Hello my dear students, this is Akash SD. Welcome to the ASD physics classes. Hope so you all are doing really great. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter straight line motion. Okay, so let's go through the question. The question is, a ball is thrown vertically with a certain velocity so that it reaches a maximum height h. Find the ratio of the times in which it is at height h by 3 while going up and coming down respectively. Okay, so first going up and then coming down respectively. Okay, so in the question they did not mention which velocity, so I will just write here. Let's take the ball is thrown with initial velocity u from point A. Okay, initial velocity u vertically upward. What will happen at here? The ball will reach to the maximum height b. I have written here b. Okay, so it will follow the same path. It will go up and following the same path it will come down, but just for the representation purpose I have shown ascent path separate and descent path separate. Otherwise what will happen that here? It will just go up and following the same path it will come down. Okay, so just for the representation purpose I have drawn here like this. So if there is the no air, no air resistance, then you know very well the path will be the symmetric. That means the ascent and descent path will be symmetric. So it has thrown with velocity u, it will reach at the highest point b, and here velocity will be how much here? 0. And after that what will happen that here? It will strike back with the same speed and again at same point A to B and again B to A. Na? So A to B, initial velocity u, finally 0, then again B to A again coming back. And here what I told you, the speed is same u, but the velocity is different. Why? Because the direction is different. Okay, so in middle I have just taken here some points are there. Now let's take here. While going up it is coming at point M, and when going down it is coming at point N. Now we have taken just these 2 points M and N at the middle. And what is the height of these 2 points? H by 3. Okay, so let's take here the time of projection is how much here? T equal to 0. Here it is reaching at time t equal to t1. At point B it is reaching at t equal to ta. Okay, and at point N here let's take the time is t equal to t2, and when it will hit the ground, complete time of flight will complete, so t equal to capital T. Is it? So now according to the question we have to calculate the ratio of water. We have to calculate the ratio of this t1 by t2. And you can see also very well there are the two values of time for which this projectile is at the same height. And how much height is there? H by 3. Total height how much is there with the yellow color? H. Okay, so first I am going to get the value of u. Okay, because that is not given in the question. So I will use here the equation of motion from A to B. Even directly also I can write here, but I will use the equation of motion. See, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, and I am going to use the equation of motion from A to B. So at point B what is the final velocity? 0. Initial velocity u square at point A plus 2. Acceleration, gravity is there. Gravity is acting in which direction? Downward direction. And all the points upward I have taken plus, and all the directions I have taken downward minus. Upward direction plus, downward direction minus. So this will come here the minus g and h. So from here I can get here, see this u square is what here? This u square is the 2gh. Even sometimes we used to remember this expression directly also. Is it? So u square equal to 2gh. Now after that what I am going to use? I am going to use the again equation of motion from A to B. Okay, and in this situation, to solve the situation a very simple way, I will use second equation of motion. So what can I write here? See, s equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, even you can see this equation is quadratic in time. Even this equation is telling there are the two possible values of displacement during the path for which the height will be same. Okay, so what we can tell here, what is the value of the s? This will be upward is there. Na? See this one here, h by 3. Na? I am using from A to M is there. Okay, so see here please, h by 3. Okay, is equal to time anyhow u only, u into t. And after that what we can tell here, see half, and a value is anyhow minus g into t square. Okay, now what I will do here, this equation I will make here in a quadratic, standard quadratic equation. Okay, so I can write here, let's take this thing, I have taken this side, so see g by 2 square, and this will come this side minus ut plus h by 3 is equal to what? 0. This is my standard equation. Okay. Now this equation, that means the equation I have got standard, this I am going to compare with which equation? Compare with the standard quadratic equation. What is the standard quadratic equation? See, at square plus bt plus c equal to 0. Is it? So from there I will get the value of a, how much here? G by 2, value of b minus u, and value of c h by 3. Is it? Kindly see very well. Okay, so after comparison I am going to just write here. Okay, so what is the value of a is coming here? You know very well the value of a is coming here, G by 2, value of b is coming here, minus u, and the value of c is coming what here? H by 3, as I have told you. Okay, now we know very well here, we know very well what is the roots of this equation. So you know very well the roots are, two roots will be there, t1 t2, but see here that t equal to, I am writing here, minus b plus minus, this is called in a Hindi Siddharacharya method, b square minus 4ac by 2a. So how many roots will be there? There you will get here the two roots here. When you will take one sign plus one root, when you will take one sign minus, and the root is there. Okay, so for this time how many roots are there? Two roots are there, two possible values are there. Okay, for this time. So now they are asking here while going up and coming down. So while going up, time t1 will be less, and when it started from here, went h by 3 and again went completely up and then coming down. So t1 is less and t2 is what? More. Okay, so if I write here the ratio t1 by t2. Okay, so t1 value is less here, so I am going to write here, see, minus b, t1 value is the less here. Okay, so I will put here the minus sign here. Okay, see, minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. I have written like this. Okay, after that here t2 value, for that I have taken here the plus sign, square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now let's put these values, then question will be solved very easily. Okay, so let me put here the values. What is the value of the b? B you know, minus u, so minus minus will cancel out here, so u minus square root of b square. B square how much here? You can see very well, again u square. Okay, and minus 4. A value how much is given? A value is g by 2. Okay, and what is the value of the c? C value is h by 3. Now, and this square root is overall. Okay, now here also minus b, that means u plus, and here you can write here the same story, u square minus 4, and here g by 2 into h by 3. Is it? Very same story. So now after that, what can I write here? You can get the ratio here. The ratio is going to be, see, this t1 by t2 is going to be, what is the value of the u? U value what we have got from the equation 1, u square equal to 2gh. That means what is u? U is called here root 2gh here. Is it? Root 2gh here. Okay. Now after that, this will be minus. No? And what is the value of the u square? That is the 2gh. Okay, 2gh minus. And here you will see that here this will come here, 2 2s are 4. So this will become here what? This will become here the 2gh by 3. What this will come here? This will come here 2gh by 3. So here also I will write here 2gh plus, and here I can write here, see, 2gh plus 2gh by 3. Is it? Just kindly see here, very easy. So from here I can write here, you can see very well, in numerator denominator all this 2gh and all will cancel out here. Okay, so I can write here, see, 1 minus square root of 1 minus 1 by 3, and here 1 plus square root of 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, so when you will simplify this, what this will come here? Just take here the ratio. So this will become here 3 minus 1, so it will become here the 2 by 3, and here what will become here? See, 1 plus 4 by 3 here. Is it? Kindly see here. Kindly see. Okay, we are going correct only, because 1 minus 1 by 3 here, what is coming here? 1 plus 1 by 3. So 1 plus 1 by 3 will come what here? 4 by 3. Now, so from here what we can write here? Kindly see very well. Now, so if I take here the LCM here, now, so this will become here, see, root 3 minus root 2, and here by root 3. And here what this will become here? Kindly see here, root 3 plus root 4 divided by root 3. Is it? So you can see very well, this root 3 and this root 3 cancelled out. So what we are getting? Root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 4. Let's see, any option is there here? Root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2 is coming here. But that means here some mistake is happening here. Here we have where we have done the mistake here. Here also see 2 2 is 4 is there. So 2gh by 3 will come here. Anyhow, any mistake is there? Yes, here the minus is there, but here I have made it plus here, na? So here please, this mistake I have done here. I hope so this is very very clear to you. What we have done, the mistake is there. Okay, so this will become here what? 2 by 3, and then this will become here what? This will become here the root 2. Okay, so what is the correct option is going to be here? You can see very well, root 3 cancels, so root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Okay, can you see very well? With this plus, I just thought this is also plus only. Okay, but okay, anyhow. So which option is correct here? The correct option is the option B is the answer. Is it? So students, I hope so. This question based upon the time of ascent and time of descent in the absence of air is very very clear to you. Keep studying, keep growing.